We're doing a brake booster on this Izuzu NPR. I was looking for a video on how to do it, and I didn't really see any on YouTube. So I figured I'd show you how to get it out. It's in a really tight spot. First thing, you want to disconnect your battery. The dash, this piece here, it just pops out. The cluster, 4 bolts. Remove your cluster. First thing you want to do is disconnect this cylinder here. There's 2 hoses that connect to it. Remove the hoses. So the cylinder bolts like that. And then this piece, there's some hoses, there's some lines that connect to this master cylinder here. You want to completely remove this piece away from the master cylinder. Then you could just take the cylinder out. Next thing you want to do is this accelerator pedal. It's going to be bolted right there. There's 2 bolts. Take the accelerator pedal off, move it out your way. That way you can access the 4 bolts on the back of the brake booster. There's also this piece right here I took off. It's just a clip that the brake booster clips into, and you just slide this clip off. It slides off. Then you wanna, the clip slides off. There you go. And you just slide this pin back. And then there's 2 bolts right here. There's 4 bolts on the back of this brake booster. There's another 2 bolts on this side that you could get to. This thing is in a tight spot. You just gotta move things out your way to get the space to remove it. Hope this helps. All right, well, this job's a little bit more difficult than I thought it was. This brake booster, I finally got it out, but what I found was the top of the booster is gonna hit on this bar right here. And what you have to do is the bracket that the booster is bolted to, I loosened it. There's 2 bolts at the top. There's one there, and there's one there. That one and that one that the bracket bolts to up top. Then you have some bolts at the bottom. The steering shaft, you can slide it. Loosen the bolts up. I got a zip tie just to keep it in place. I just slid it to the left just a little bit. And you can see this bracket right here is loose. You have to make it loose, drop it down so the brake booster doesn't hit this bar. And I was able to slide it out that way. I'll let you know how it goes going back in.